Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you are watching my video. Welcome back to your class 6, and today's class is based on the back exercises of your book. As we have already done exercise 1 and 2, so we are going to start with exercise 3 and rest of them. So let's start the class. Here you can see this is page number 34 here. Page 34, question number 3. Complétez le dialogue. Complete the dialogue. This dialogue is based on the informal conversation. Now you have to find out whether it's actually informal or formal. This salut indicates that this is a informal conversation. So let's complete this dialogue and see what we are going to fill in these blanks. So first one is, see carefully, salut, then comment, then blank. So there can be so many options, comment ça va, comment allez-vous, comment vous appelez-vous. So as it's an informal conversation, you have to see what is next. To justify your sentence, you need to see the next sentence. As it is written here, je m'appelle Anne et toi, right? So first you have one blank and then full stop, then je m'appelle Anne et toi. That means the person is saying, comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Then the next person who is Anne, Sam and Anne, they both are friends and they are talking to each other. Sam is saying, hi, what is your name? So, comment tu t'appelles? As they are friends, you are going to use the informal question here. Comment tu t'appelles? Right? So, first blank will get the answer. Tu t'appelles. Because comment is already written there. Comment tu t'appelles? Question mark. This is the first blank. And the second blank. The second blank will take salut. As salut, it is written here in the very first word. The very first word is saying salut. So this Anne is replying, salut, je m'appelle Anne. Hi, what is your name? Hi, my name is Anne. And you? So, the second blank will take salut. Right? And then, third one, as Anne is also asking here, what is your name? Et toi means, and what about you? Fine? So, my name is Anne and you? Now, the Sam is replying here, je m'appelle. The third blank will take, je m'appelle Sam. My name is Sam. And then, again we have one blank here. My name is Sam. And then, où. Où indicates where. So, this question must be, where do you live? So we have to use the informal question, and here you can easily correct your answer, that is j'habite à Delhi. That means it is sure you need to write where do you live, right? So où habite tu. You need to be careful whenever you are writing your answers. You need to see whether it's an informal question or a formal question, right? So, où habites-tu? Where do you live? Then, j'habite à Delhi. Now, Anne is replying, I live in Delhi. Quel slash. Now, quel indicates quel âge as-tu? Because as per we have done only 3 questions. So age was left. So quel âge tu. Now you can correct your answer from here. J'ai 11 ans means it is definite that he is asking or she is asking for age, right? So quel âge, quel is already written, so you are going to write quel âge as-tu. What is your age, right? Quel âge as-tu means what is your age. Now here Sam is replying, j'ai 11 ans, I am 11 years old, au revoir. Now he's saying bye. Here you have two blanks, so you can say either you can say à demain, see you tomorrow, au revoir, or enchanté, au revoir, right? As Anne is a girl, so if you are saying enchanté, nice to meet you, you are going to write enchanté like this with one more e, because she is a girl. So Anne is a girl, so she is going to write one more e at the end of enchanté that we have already done in the previous chapter. So Anne is saying enchanté, nice to meet you, au revoir, right? Au revoir, bye. So first answer, comment tu t'appelles, salut, then je m'appelle Sam, où habites-tu, quel âge as-tu, enchanté, au revoir. If you have any confusion, you can definitely call me or text me, right? Now come to question number 4. Identifier le nom de la journée, le moment de la journée. You need to identify the moment or the particular time of the day. So here it is already given, l'après-midi, that means it's afternoon. This is the scene of afternoon, right? So l'après-midi. What do we call night? Because you can see a moon here, stars and moon, so it's definitely night. So you need to write la nuit. So first blank will take la nuit. Answer number 4. First blank will take, so it's a B part, la nuit means the night, N-U-I-T, nuit. Then we have here, it is la soir, it's evening, you can say it's evening. So C blank will take le soir, the evening, and D blank is, but obviously it's morning, right? Sun is rising here. The D part will take le matin, it's the morning. Generally students make mistake here that they are writing good morning, good afternoon, good evening and good night here. It's not like that. So try to read the question carefully. They are asking for the time of the particular span of the day. They are not asking for greetings, right? So you need to write the names of the different times of the day: morning, afternoon, evening and night, like this. No, the answers you can check. B part night, C part evening, then morning. So let's move towards the last one. So it is quite easy. That is, you need to match the pictures with the given statements here, right? Relier les colonnes, you need to write the match the columns. So first one, so I am going according to the pictures here. You can see this person is much more happier than generally. So you can go for ça va super bien. I'm super fine. Right? You can see the person is superly happy. So, ça va? Super bien. First answer. Second answer. Ça va? Très bien. I'm very fine. Right? Ça va? Très bien. I'm very fine. Then, come here. This person is looking sad, so ça va mal. So, this one will go with this. Ça va mal. So, then ça va très mal. You see? I'm sorry here. Ça va mal. Ça va mal. Then ça va très mal. Ça va très mal. Then the last one. Ça va bien. I'm fine. Neither happy nor like sad. So, ça va bien. I am fine. Right? So, question number 6, you can omit because it's a listening exercise. Here you have one activity here. You need to write, first you need to write 4 sentences about yourself. My name is and my age is, I live in. You need to try it once at home because I'm going to do it on the board in the next class. First you try it at home. Right? So this is your homework. So that's all for today. We are going to start chapter 3 in the next video. Till then you need to revise chapter 2. If you are facing any problem, do write or do call me on my personal number. Fine? So till then, bye. Have a nice day.